what is going to happen with regards to a specific channel through which banks sell a lot of the insurance policies, which is through the bank channel. We reported towards the end of last month that, and that was also an exclusive, that maybe the government is going to provide a relief. They're not going to take any action on the bancassurance channel, bringing down the share of the bancassurance channel. Now, sources are telling CNBC-TV18 that with regards to the banker channel, the insurance regulator, IRDAI, is actually proposing a major overhaul. They've sent in a proposal to the finance ministry. What is the change which is being proposed? Yash has got details. Yash, take it away.
Well, that's correct, Prashant. So a major proposal has been submitted by the insurance regulator with the Ministry of Finance. And this is, as you said, with respect to bancassurance and practically suggesting a complete overhaul of how distribution of insurance works through banks. What we've been given to understand is that the insurance regulator has proposed to the Ministry of Finance to do away with the entire concept of commission altogether. Instead of that, replace that with something called as the transaction cost model. Now, what is the transaction cost model? Before I come to that, let me just put a small caveat that this particular proposal was sent under the chairmanship of Debashish Panda, the chairman of IRDAI, who retired in the month of March. The proposal was sent back then to the government, but nevertheless with the government for consideration. Now let's come to what is a transaction cost model. Here, just like a bank sells its own products like credit cards, bank accounts, FDs, and it charges a transaction cost for the same thing to be done with respect to sale of insurance policies. Every time an insurance policy is sold, no commission is to be collected from the insurer, but a transaction cost to be levied on the sale of that policy directly to the policyholder. Currently, what happens on a 100 rupees premium, if the bank is earning 18 rupees, it collects 18 rupees from the insurer and gives 100 rupees to the insurer as the premium. Now, with the transaction cost, you directly collect whatever the transaction cost is from the customer and give the premium to the insurance company. There are a list of advantages which the insurance regulator has suggested to the Ministry of Finance with this proposal, but nevertheless can be counted as a complete overhaul in terms of suggestion coming from IRDAI when it comes to the commission modeling of bancassurance channel.
Okay, all right. Yash, at a basic level, this will eventually, how this settles, first of all, this has to be accepted. We don't know it will be accepted. But if this goes through, at the very least, some disruption in the near term, right?
Well, certainly.
Because this will disrupt the way the policies are sold.
Correct. The largest banks which have the largest distribution network today, branches, are HDFC, SBI, Axis Bank, and they have exclusive tie-ups today despite of having open architecture. But that will sort of open that up, and they will be forced to tie up with more life insurance or general insurance companies if in case this gets approved.
All right, okay. I think CG Power numbers, Yash, thank you very much for that. CG Power numbers are the